Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's see what we will be learning in this course today. In this video, we will see what you should know before proceeding with Django learning. Before getting started with Django, I want you to know to work with Django framework, you need to be familiar with Python. In our project, we are going to write all our code in Python programming language. So you should be aware of some basic concepts of Python. I recommend you to go through on Python 3 if you want to learn in Python. If you already know Python, then you can get started with Django learning. Also, we will be building some web pages later on this course. So you need to have some basic knowledge on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you feel you want to go through some of these courses again, please take a look at it and come back to our course. And also, to work with Django, we need to set up environment for our development. So you need to install Python and you have to install Django framework. We will see how to set up in our next video. Thank you.